Covalent Molecules, Hydrogen, Chlorine, and Hydrogen Chloride by KayScience.com. In this video, we're going to learn how hydrogen, chlorine, and hydrogen chloride can be displayed in different ways, focusing on dot and cross diagrams. A hydrogen molecule has the molecular formula of H2. In a hydrogen atom, there's one proton, one electron, and then one takeaway one means there are 0 neutrons. The electronic configuration shows how this hydrogen atom has one electron in its outer shell, therefore will need only one more electron to complete its outer shell. This is a dot and cross diagram of a hydrogen molecule. This shows the structural formula, and then this is a simplified dot and cross diagram which does not include the shells. This is the molecular formula, which tells us which elements are present and how many atoms there are. So this is the dot and cross diagram, where I'll only be showing the outer electrons only. It is possible to draw the inner shells on a dot and cross diagram. However, the exam will normally ask you just to draw the outer electrons only. The structural formula just shows which atoms are present and then displays the covalent bond as a stick. One line represents a single covalent bond. 2 lines represents a double covalent bond. 3 lines represents a triple covalent bond. This is a simplified dot and cross diagram. It only shows the symbol of the elements and then the electrons. A chlorine molecule has the molecular formula Cl2. This molecular formula tells me there are 2 chlorine atoms which are covalently bonded. I know they are covalently bonded because they are both nonmetals found to the right of the stepped line in the periodic table. A chlorine atom has 17 protons, 17 electrons, and we can ignore the neutrons. Each chlorine atom needs one more electron to complete its outer shell, so there will be a single covalent bond where there will be one pair of electrons being shared. This structural formula shows a single covalent bond between 2 chlorine atoms, and then you can see the bonded electrons and the outer electrons in this simplified dot and cross diagram. So this is the dot and cross diagram showing the outer electrons only. This is the structural formula, which is the most basic way of displaying a simple covalent substance. And this is the simplified dot and cross diagram without the shells. Hydrogen chloride is a molecule where the molecular formula is HCl. We already know the electronic configuration of a hydrogen atom shows it has 1 electron in its outer shell, and the chlorine atom has 7 electrons in its outer shell. Both atoms are nonmetals, so will form a covalent bond, where they will share 1 electron with each other, forming a shared pair of electrons, which is a covalent bond. This dot and cross diagram shows how hydrogen now has 2 electrons in its outer shell, and chlorine has 8 electrons in its outer shell because they are both sharing a pair of electrons to help them both achieve full outer shells of electrons. The single line shows how there is a single covalent bond between the hydrogen and chlorine atom. This is the structural formula, and this is the simplified dot and cross diagram. Press pause to answer the questions. The answers will follow. If stuck, just rewatch the video. Press pause to go through your answers and make any corrections to your mistakes. And don't forget to visit KayScience.com for more videos, worksheets and quizzes at KayScience.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe.